Hey everybody, this is the Bento Buster, and today we're making Biang Biang Noodles using Kishimen Udon. So please keep watching. In today's recipe, we're using Kishimen Noodles. They're a flat type of udon. Start off by boiling the noodles for about 3 minutes. When they're done, strain them and rinse them in the cold water to cool them down. Don't forget to reserve about half a cup of the noodle water because we'll need that later. To make the chili meat sauce, put all of the ingredients into the fry pan and heat it until it's thoroughly cooked. Now be careful, this won't take long to cook, so keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Add the noodles to the spicy meat sauce. Now add the noodle water that you set aside and incorporate everything together. This kind of looks like a spicy, yucky udon version of spaghetti bolognese. Okay, we're done. Now it's time to plate up. Try to add a little bit of meat sauce between the layers to ensure a tasty bite every time. To finish off, garnish it with some spring onions, and then it's ready to eat. And there we have it, our spicy Biang Biang Kishimen Noodles. They're quick and easy to make and extremely flavorful. You're definitely gonna enjoy them. Biang Biang Noodles, you gotta get some. Thank you for watching. I'm the Bento Buster and see you next time.